Today I will show you how to make a talking animated AI avatar that looks and sounds like you in under 4 minutes using just two apps, ChatGPT and HeyGen. Quick disclaimer, this video is not sponsored. I don't want to waste your time, so let's go straight into the exact workflow. Step 1. For a high quality results, we need a detailed prompt. This is the part most people skip, and that's why their results look average at best. So here's what we do. We generate that prompt in ChatGPT by giving it a few specifics. How you want the character to look and how you want the whole scene to be set up. For example, I want a prompt that starts from my uploaded photo and turns me into a 3D Pixar-inspired cartoon character. I should look like a teacher standing at a chalkboard. Hit enter, then copy the prompt ChatGPT generates. Step 2. Go to the Images tab, attach the photo, use a clear one with no blur and no harsh shadows. Paste the prompt and hit enter. Wait a few seconds and the avatar image will be generated. I really love this result. Honestly, I think the ChatGPT 1.5 image generator works better than Nano Banana Pro for this type of animation. Step 3. Go to app.heygen.com. Click apps, then photo to video and upload the avatar image. Now choose the voice. In my case, I'm using my own voice, recorded with the Voice Memos app on my iPhone. If you don't want to use your voice, HeyGen has a pretty big voice library. And it's totally fine if you want something quick. But if you care about maximum voice quality, in my opinion, it doesn't really compare to ElevenLabs. More natural, better emotions and more realistic overall. So you can either use HeyGen's voice library for convenience or generate a premium voice track in ElevenLabs and bring that audio into HeyGen. Quick one, if this is helpful, hit like and subscribe. I'm posting more quick tutorials like this every week. What's great about HeyGen is that you can type a quick note telling it how you want the avatar to move and what facial expression to use. And you should do it, because it makes a huge difference. For example, this is what I use. Use natural hand gestures that match what I'm saying. Keep the facial expressions subtle and realistic, no exaggerated reactions, mostly a closed mouth or slightly smile with a minimal teeth showing. Once that's in, just hit generate video. And here's the result. Today I will show you how to make a talking animated AI avatar that looks and sounds like you in under 4 minutes using just two apps, ChatGPT and HeyGen. Solid lip sync, natural movement, and it looks really good. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, the price. The creator plan is $29 and you can generate only up to 15 minutes per month of lip syncing. If you're planning to make longer videos, your wallet is going to feel it, so keep an eye on your minutes. An alternative is Dzine, but it's weaker on lip syncing and it doesn't have that motion prompt option for gesture and facial expressions like HeyGen does, so the final result usually looks less natural. Now I'm curious, if you run a faceless YouTube channel or you've tried AI lip syncing, what apps have you tested and which one gave you the best results? Let me know in the comments, and if you want to catch the next one, hit the bell so you don't miss it. See you in the next video.